Hello my friends, hope all you're doing well. I'm Ellen and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to episode 277 on Ellen's Homemade Delight. This is a very special video. I am doing an International Cuisine Collaboration with 4 YouTube cooks. For our collaboration, we're going to do the country Spain. My friends, Raffy over at Rockin' Raffy's Home Cooking will be making salmajos, a cold soup, for the first course meal. Dine and Wine with Jeff will be making paquillo pepper stuffed with tuna and pimento, which is called Relina's El Datun. I hope I'm saying that right. And he's also making sangria. Tiny Kitchen Big Taste will be making the main course seafood paella. And Chef Russ over at A Kitchen and Maya will be making the dessert, leche fria, which is called fried milk. They're going to be amazing and delicious. I'll post links to their channel and to their recipes down below in the description box. For our collaboration, I'll be making Patatas Bravas, which is fried potatoes, a Spanish appetizer. And my friends, this is the bomb.com. They're going to be so crispy. We're going to fry them up to golden perfection, and we're going to make a Bravas sauce from scratch. It's going to be delicious. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. So grab your oil, your potatoes, and your paprika sugar, because we're about to fry some Patatas Bravas magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large bowl I have 4 medium potatoes that I cut into chunks and I washed them and patted dry. Alright my friends, in my cast iron skillet I have some extra virgin olive oil that I got to medium heat, and I turned the fire down to low so we don't burn the potatoes quickly. And we're going to pre-cook them. Alright my friends, I'm through pre-cooking the potatoes. So now we're going to set them in the refrigerator and we're going to let them cool. And while they're cooling, we can get started on the Bravas sauce. Alright my friends, to make the Bravas sauce, in my skillet, I got the fire over medium heat. I have 1/3 cup of olive oil. And we're going to add in 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika and 1 teaspoon of paprika, original paprika. Going to stir that together until it forms a paste. Alright my friends, next we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Stir that in until it's nice and well combined. So next, we're going to slowly add in 1 cup of vegetable broth. Alright my friends, our Bravas sauce is done. And off camera I added some salt to taste. See how simple and easy it was? Alright, so now we're going to place it back on the stove so it can get nice and warm. Alright my friends, the potatoes is nice and cool. Now we're ready to refry them. Alright my friends, I'm through frying my potatoes. Look how nice and golden brown they look. Right when they came out of the oil, I added some sauce so that way it'll stick to it. And I drained the excess grease. So now I'm about to plate them up and I'll give them a taste. Alright my friends, there you have it. Patatas Bravas. Fried potatoes with Bravas sauce. Don't that look delicious? And I drizzled some of the Bravas sauce right on top. And now for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. The best part about this, no forks required. Look at that. The potatoes nice and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. And that Brava sauce is incredible. This is amazing Spanish appetizer. Y'all will enjoy this. And grab me one more. This is a vanilla bite. Delicioso. My friends, what an awesome international cuisine collaboration we did. And thank you, Rafi, for inviting me to join. And again, I'll post a link to everybody's channel and their recipe down below in the description box. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat!